BF Blast Sandblasting Cabinet Assembly. The air hose is connected to the air inlet of the machine. Put the workpiece into the cabinet. Sand is added inside the cabinet. Close the cabinet door and lock it. Switch on the light, fan, and filter systems. Wear the blasting gloves. Press the blasting pedal for start sandblasting. Clean the workpiece from dust, rust, and old paint. Check the bunker for any failure or unwanted parts. For sand, changing open the blind plug under the cabinet. Be sure there is no sand into the reservoir.